All right, Carrie Buck here. Welcome to step 1 of the passive income affiliate training. So step 1 is, this is what's going to happen when you click that orange button that says click here to get your 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through exactly what's going to happen. So first thing you want to do, you want to put your best email address in here, okay? Oops. So I'm just going to use that. So use your best email address, and then you're going to create a password. And then you're going to click start my free 14-day trial. And then once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so on this page, what it's asking you to do is you want to pick which version of ClickFunnels that you want. Okay, so there's the ClickFunnels version where you just get ClickFunnels, and you get a 14-day free trial, and then it's $97 a month. Or you can get the one that I have, which is Edison Suite, which gets you ClickFunnels plus Actionetics, which is ClickFunnels built-in email autoresponder. You can email, text, all kinds of good stuff. And also Backpack. That's how to set up your own affiliate program if you have your own trainings that you sell. Okay, I highly, highly recommend that you click this for at least your 14-day free trial. So that way you can see how everything works. And by the way, I do have further down in the steps, in the 7-step process, I do have done for you email sequences that will only be available for folks that are in the Edison Suite, because it goes with Actionetics, right? So I highly recommend you pick this Edison Suite just for the 14-day trial, just so you can see how everything works and how easily everything goes together. And it's basically everything is under one roof. Like everything you need is like right here, you know. It's 14 days free, and then it's $297 a month. And keep in mind, this $297 a month, the goal is for you to make enough affiliate income, enough income from affiliate offers where you're never coming out of pocket for that $279 a month anyway, right? So that's the goal. But what you can do is I highly recommend you at least pick this for your 14-day trial. At the end of 14 days, if you want to downgrade to the $97, you totally can do that. Okay, so pick which one you want to start off with. Then enter your credit card info, enter the month, the year, your code, and your zip code. By the way, they're not going to charge your card right now. Your card does not get charged right now. It is a free 14-day trial. Nothing is going to get charged on your card until after the 14 days. Okay. And of course, everything we're doing in this training requires one of these versions, right? Excuse me. If you keep Edison Suite, it's just going to make your life much simpler, because everything, the email autoresponder, everything is already in there. So the done for you stuff, I just kind of give to you, share that with you, versus you going out and getting ActiveCampaign or Aweber or ConvertKit or something else, right? You just have all this right here. But again, at the end of the 14 days, if you want to downgrade to the $97 a month, you totally can. All right. So after the 14 days is when they charge your card. They will not charge anything right now, so don't worry about that. Then you just have to decide if you want to add this one-time offer to your order, which is the 9 secret funnels training. It looks like they have it discounted. It's normally $197, but they're offering it to you for $47 right now. If you want that, you just click that. If you don't want that, you unclick it. It's completely up to you. It has absolutely nothing to do with the passive income affiliate training. So this is all on you if you want this or not. You either click it, add it, or you don't add it. But then when you're done, you click activate my account now. Okay, and then once you do that, you're going to want to move on to step 2, because that is how you're going to be able to actually get the entire funnel, this entire funnel that I have built, put directly into your new ClickFunnels account that you can start using and get it up and going, so you could start using that funnel to create affiliate income for yourself, so that it's paying for whatever Edison Suite or whatever ClickFunnels account that you choose. All right, I will see you in the next step.